Everybody, just a quick video on how to clean your screen in your Tesla Model 3. They got a setting where you can lock the screen and you can clean it. Go to the car display. They got a clean screen mode. You can't really see it; it's kind of dark. It says it's got a press and hold to exit, and just clean the screen, get all the fingerprints and everything off of it. Push and hold it to exit. I think you gotta hold it like 5 seconds. There, it's back to normal. Screen's clean and everything. Alright, thank you for watching.